Hello everyone, today we're talking about brand and brand management. We're going to look into some useful vocabulary about brands. So let's get started. First of all, what is brand? Brand is the name, term, design, symbol, or any other feature that identifies one seller's goods or service as distinct from those of other sellers. Today, with our economy of scale, we have different brands like commodity brands, we have automotive makes, we have marks, we have concept brands like environmentalism, and usually brand comprise various elements like this BMW. You have a name here, you have a symbol of a company, and you have a company's logo. That brings us to the topic of a brand management. We have to manage our brands, right? And what is a brand management? It's a set of marketing and communication actions, techniques, and tools. We want to create and restore the strongest possible brand equity to the benefit of our customers, owners, and shareholders. And brand equity. This is very important. This is the final target of all our activity. This is the measurable totality of the brand's worth, where brand is an intangible asset accessible by special accountant standards. As of 2021, you know that Apple is the most valuable brand in the world with an estimated brand value of about 263 billion US dollars. Okay, now in our brand management, we have three main targets we want to achieve. First one is to create and establish brand identity. People should identify a brand immediately as soon as they see it. It's a set of individual components. Like I said, it can be slogan, it can be even particular font. In case of Coca-Cola, for example, that puts a brand aside from others. This is how the owner of the brand wants the customer to perceive it, as opposed to the brand image, which is the real picture which our customers, or maybe not real, which our customers mentally have in about our brand. Second target we want to achieve is a brand awareness. So this is customers' ability to recognize or recall brand, its logo, advertisement at first glance. For example, Ferrari, this is one of the most recognizable brands in the world. And the third one is the brand loyalty, and this is very important. We want our customers to be loyal to us. We want them to have positive feelings. We want them to have associations attached to our brand, to some kind of particular brand, and so that they come and buy it again and again. Customers who repeatedly and without wavering are willing to purchase product or service from the brand are called loyals. And the majority, the biggest number of loyals is, of course, loyals of Coca-Cola brand. So these are our three targets we want to achieve in our brand management activity. Right, so how we do it? First of all, let's consider the term called brand communication, which is actually integrated marketing communication concept. That includes 5 core components: advertising, sales promotion, direct marketing, public relations, and personal sellings. Through this one, we want to send a clear message about our brand. And then we use brand strategies. Well, I have to make a notice that this is not a full list, but one of the first strategies we are going to consider it our business case as a brand development. We want to further strengthen our advantage. We want to develop our brand. Brand stretching and brand extension, we're extending our strong lines into neighboring products like Armani does it, with their perfume, with their clothes, with their fashion, accessories, and so on. Another strategy is the repositioning of the brand. We want to change our price segment, for example. We want to change our strategy. So we want to change country of origin and so on. So we want to reposition our brand. Multi-branding strategy, as a perfect example of which is the Procter & Gamble, is to give a distinct name to each product which we produce. So we can be owner of 100 brands names, so-called registered trademarks. Another strategy is very famous Toyota strategy, which they used in sub-branding, where Toyota modify associations of the parent brand, and it actually creates a new brand identity by introducing another brand called Lexus. Well, obviously this is not the full list, but here you can see it's a lot of very useful vocabulary terms and notions which we're going to use together with you in our lessons. So thank you very much for watching. See you again in our class.